Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are going to make a dragon with paper, square paper. So let's start. First we have to fold the paper like this. After folding it, we will open and fold. Here is the margin of the paper, and we will fold the paper like this, the opposite side. Now we will open the paper. Now we will fold the paper diagonally in both sides. After folding it, we will here also fold the paper. Folding it, now you can see there are so many margins created here. These margins will help us to create the dragon easily. After doing this step, you can see that this paper I have folded the paper like this. After folding it, we will start doing this and this. After doing this, we will open the paper again and we will fold the paper like this. Same, we will use this side and the opposite side. See, we have to make this shape in the opposite side also. See, we have made the paper and we will fold the paper now like this. It's look like an ice cream cone. Really? Now we have to make fold the paper like this, and we will unfold the paper. Here you can see a square margin is created. We have to take that square margin and then fold the paper after doing this. We will fold the paper like this. This is the basic step. Remember, you have to fold the up side of the paper like this. Then we will do the next step. After doing this part, we have to fold the paper here like this, and in the opposite side same. Like this, and here also like this. After doing this, we have to pull the paper out of here like this. You can see, and here. Maximum part we have done of the dragon. Now we have to make the wings. For making the wings, we have to fold the paper like this, and from here also like this. By doing this, we will make the paper. See, we have done the paper like this. See, we have to do the thing like this. We have to do the same thing here. If my video quality or audio quality is bad, then just know me in the comment section. Now we have to pull this with this side. Like this. After doing this, we have to come down here again, but up to this level only. Because of that only we have folded that. Got doing this easily. See, it will create a problem. We have not done, but now we have to do only what will happen. See, we have done like this. After doing like this, we have to take the paper and fold the paper like you can see. We have to fold the paper like this. After doing this, we'll fold the same page here also. This will create the dragon's leg. Like this only we have to do directly side. By doing this, we have to, you have seen only that side. This side, I think you can't see this. If you can see, if there is any problem, you can write me in the comment section. Or if you want me to make your interested things, you write what are you interested in. But in art and craft, I love electrical appliances also, but I love art and craft the most. That's why I have choose this. But no problem, we will do this. See, we have done this part. Now we have to fold a paper. This is the step we have done now. After that, I will show the third step. Now the third step is we have to fold this side like this and this side like this. After folding this, now we will create the legs of the dragon here. This is 1 number leg, this is 2 number leg. Here also, here the wings of the dragon. It's too small, I think, because I chose a small paper. You have to choose a big paper, then only you can make it. But if you want to make a so soft one and small one, you can choose this paper only. Now the dragon's head. We have to fold the paper first like this. After that, we have to fold the paper like this. By folding this, we have to fold the paper like this. It will make the dragon's head, and this is the dragon's tail. Making the tail, I will show you the trick. See, it's the dragon. Is the dragon tail we have made, and now our dragon is ready to fly in the sky. If you like my video, just press the subscribe button for seeing my more video like this. Till then, take care and bye bye.